Welcome to the Supreme Grammar Podcast, where you can learn to write like a Supreme Court Justice. With me, Jill Barton. In today's episode, our AI hosts describe how to write what's probably the most common form of communication in the law, the email. Let's listen in.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're diving into something really fundamental for anyone in law school or starting their legal career. Professional emails and digital messages. You probably think, email. I know email. But trust me, legal communication, it's a whole different ballgame than texting your friends.
Oh, absolutely. It really is. Emails are, well, they're everywhere in law offices. Often they're the main way people communicate. Getting these conventions right from day one, it's like having a roadmap. It helps you look competent, credible, professional.
To professors, employers.
Judges, exactly. It sets the right tone immediately.
Okay, let's break that down. Why so critical? What are the big, immediate dangers people might not even think about?
The stakes are really high. Think about sending sensitive information, confidential stuff, or critically privileged information.
Privileged meaning? The lawyer-client secret stuff.
Precisely. Communication's legally protected from disclosure. If you send that to the wrong person, even by accident, poof, you can destroy that attorney-client privilege just like that. And suddenly that message is discoverable.
Discoverable meaning it can be used in court.
Yeah.
Against your client.
Exactly. It's not just embarrassing. It can be a legal disaster. That reply all button you mentioned,
yeah.
It's a classic culprit. A real minefield in legal settings. You hit reply all, and suddenly privileged advice meant for your client is sitting in opposing counsel's inbox.
Oof.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's a huge what not to do. How do we get it right then? What makes a legal email truly professional and safe?
Right. It comes down to several key things. First, the basics, but with extra care. The tow line. Only the correct, absolutely necessary recipients. You had to double check. Every single time.
No accidental CCs to the other side.
Never. Then the subject line. It needs to be brief, yes, but also substantive, specific. Something vague like subject, Maineni v. Hall. It's not helpful.
Well, it's better.
Something like subject, Maineni v. Hall. Edits to motion to compel. Clear, searchable, tells the recipient exactly what's inside. It helps with filing, too.
Okay, practical. What about greetings? Is it always dear sir or madam?
Not usually. It varies. For a judge's clerk, Dear Ms. Ali is probably appropriate. Formal. Opposing counsel, Any Dear Sam, depending on the relationship. A close colleague, just their first name, Denise, might be fine.
So context matters.
Always. And the format inside the email, lead with the most important point. People skim.
Lawyers especially, I imagine.
Exactly. Use short paragraphs, single-spaced. Bullet points or numbers for lists make things much easier to digest. And make it easy for them to respond. Ask direct questions, not how should we handle staffing, but should I plan to appear at the hearing? Clear yes, no helps.
Got it. Now, tone. This seems tricky. You said avoid emojis, LOL, sarcasm.
Absolutely. Keep it professional. Too many exclamation points can look immature. Err on the side of formality, especially at first.
But tone is also about word choice, right? You mentioned we versus you.
Yes. This is where it gets strategic. Using we with a client builds collaboration. But with opposing counsel, sometimes you need an adversarial tone. Saying you have failed to isn't being rude necessarily. It's establishing a clear legal position.
Interesting. And proofreading, still vital.
Non-negotiable. Like any legal writing, emails must be error-free. Typos, grammatical mistakes that kill your credibility.
And fonts. Does that really matter?
It contributes to the professional look. Stick to standard ones like Arial, Times New Roman, 10 or 12-point font. Black or maybe dark blue ink. Keep it clean.
Okay. Closings and signatures. Anything special there?
Tailor the closing. Best regards, sincerely. Those are safe bets. Keep the signature block professional but concise. Your name, firm, address, phone. Definitely no inspirational quotes. And don't put Esquire after your own name in your signature. It's generally frowned upon.
Good tip. Attachments.
Oh, crucial. Give documents clear descriptive file names. Exhibit a Smith deposition transcript.pdf, not scan123.pdf. And attach the document first before you even start writing the email. We've all forgotten attachments. Guilty.
Right. If you do forget, just send a quick follow-up. Apologies, attached, please find.
And the big one, privilege. How do you flag that?
Be extremely careful. Every email could potentially become public. For protected messages, use a clear label right at the top, like privileged attorney-client communication. And crucially, make sure no one in the to or CC line breaks that privilege. Don't include an expert witness on a privileged strategy email to your client, for instance.
That makes sense. Okay, what about newer stuff? Texts, DMs, Slack messages. Are the rules relaxing there?
The core principles, they absolutely still apply. Even more important, maybe because it's so easy to be casual, err on the side of formality. Even if someone texts you informally, you respond professionally. Proper sentences, capitalization, maintain those boundaries.
And the speed. It's tempting to fire off a quick reply.
Resist the urge. Pause before you send. That instant reply can be one you seriously regret. Think it through. And always be vigilant about confidentiality. Your ethical duty to protect client information extends to any technology you use, period. So, bottom line for you, the listener, starting out in law.
It means every single digital message is a chance to show you're competent, professional, and detail-oriented.
You're not just sending an email. You're building your professional reputation with every click.
Precisely. Mastering this isn't just about emails. It's about building a foundation for a successful legal career. It's about becoming a modern, effective communicator. This is your roadmap, really.
We hope this deep dive gave you some really practical insights. As you go through law school and into your career, think about this. In a world full of casual digital noise, how can your commitment to precise professional communication make you stand out?
Every email you send reflects your professionalism. The proper form and tone and just the right level of polish makes all the difference. Next time, we'll tackle another key to success: legal research. Thanks for listening, and remember, you can be a great legal writer.